Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Well, as you can see, we've got the just two valve behind us here on the lift. And as you saw in the last video, and if you haven't watched the last video, I'll put in the link here, around here somewhere. But we did a little damage. So as you can see, we did what we would call the drive shaft delete. It's not a good thing. It got deleted. Parts of it too got deleted, and it's a little bent. So, and on further inspection, we did a little bit of damage. I believe this is probably where it really went wrong, as you can see. But what really was worrying me was like, that's not good. So we're gonna kind of tear into it and find out. I don't know how much of this I'm actually gonna film because I don't have my cameras here. So I gotta I'm on my own, so it is what it is. But yeah, just wanna give you an idea of, yeah, it's not supposed to do that. And you can even see it right there. I think y'all see what I'm talking about. In that spot. Yeah, so. All right, let's tear it apart a little bit. See how bad it is, see if there's any more damage. Imagine that's not good. We're gonna be fixing that. I really did a number on this thing. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I loosened the cross member just a little bit and it just cut and run off. Holy crap, we did a number, didn't we? So I'm being cautious, guys. I'm being smart about this, so. All right, so figured I'd give you a little update. I think I did a little bit more damage than we thought. This case may just be trash. It may be done. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, it just going all the way around. Yep. Yep, that sucks. Well, guys, it's probably not good. Looks pretty bad. All right, well, I am back at the apartment. A little bit of a long day with work and everything, and obviously getting this transmission out. So we saw how bad the damage was. That transmission, that case is done. So take it to the transmission guy, drop it off, get it back together, get a new case. Hopefully all the internals and everything will be good. Pulling the transmission, one of the first big things I've ever done in the car. Like, I've never claimed, nor will I ever claim to be a master mechanic. I'm not. I did not learn enough when I was younger, but I'm trying. I am trying to learn. So really wasn't that bad, and I had a lot of fun doing it. I wish I had filmed more. Little bit of a just kind of last minute decision on my part. I was like, oh, I'm gonna go all the way out there, because problem is the car is at my brother's place and about 45 minutes away. So yeah, it sucks, because right now I'm doing the apartment life, but me and the wife are about to have a house, and then I'm gonna be building a shop. I'm gonna be building a shop in about a year, so I can do more, I can learn more, and it's right there, versus having to do some stuff somewhere else and then drive 45, 50 minutes back home, because that sucks. It does, because 5 a.m. is gonna come pretty quick, because it is like 11 o'clock now at night. So it is what it is, race car life. So, well, if you enjoyed this video, as always, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down here, maybe hit that bell notification. Maybe try to make my channel a little bit bigger. Whatever. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all didn't enjoy it, can't help you. So, see you on the next one. Later.